The first fact is I like to sing. The second fact is I love my grandmommy. The fourth fact is I love one of these. Fifth fact is I like Hello Kitty. Yeah, like Hello Kitty. Like Hello Kitty. The sixth fact, I like taking pictures. Like I'm always picture ready. Like if somebody say, come on, we about to take pictures, I'll be like, oh. The seventh fact is I have an irky little brother that's 7 years old, but his name is Desmond, but I love him to death. The eighth fact is I like braiding. Like I like braiding dolls' head and stuff, and other people's kids' heads and stuff. So. The ninth fact is I love kids, especially babies. They're so adorable. Like I love kids. 10th fact is my name is Morgan, and I like making vlogs with my little sister. Bye, subscribe, rate, and comment. And I'm going to be making videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And sometimes on the weekends. So, bye. I hope you like this video. Like it, please, and subscribe. Bye. It's too tight, so I can't do it. Let me get back to this recording.